Hello guys, my name is Jas and today I am going to tell you about what are the mistakes that I had done on Unacademy. Guys, these things which I am telling to you now is going to change your whole JE journey. Okay, so please listen to me so very carefully. Okay, very carefully I am saying. This that any teacher will not tell you this because this is the experience of a student and no teacher can understand this. Okay, so let us see what are the mistakes. First mistake which I had done is kept changing batches teachers. Okay guys, so I now always kept means changing batches teachers. It is the biggest mistake. It is going to kill your whole JE preparation. Second mistake which I had done is not making notes. Okay, studying from PDF means I am not making notes. I used to store the PDF in computer and after storing one or two time only I will open. After that I not used to open that. Okay, so this is second mistake. Third mistake is not following live lectures, following at 2x speed. Guys, how up to how much days you can follow this? You know, most if you are the most motivated people, if means if you're so motivated, if you are so much motivated, then also none you will not follow this attending 2x speed daily 4 to 5 lectures. You can't attend daily 4 to 5 lectures at 2x speed daily. This thing I am challenging you. If you will follow if you will not follow live lectures and you will follow lectures at 2x speed, guarantee me you will be unable to follow it more than 10 days consistently. I'm not telling you one day, not following 2 days, after that again follow. Not like this. You will unable to follow it. Okay, please listen, you will unable to follow it. Fourth is which I am telling you, running behind good teacher, good books. Okay, so this is the biggest. And now I'm going to tell you the solution. The solution is each solution is practical. Okay, every solution which I am giving you is practical. You are you search on anywhere on internet. Okay, you will not find these solutions. First is printing, investing money. What is this? Array, whatever you can assume, this is a teacher, physics teacher. Okay, he is giving us homeworks. What we have to do is now we have to print. Okay, we have to print his sheets. Why I am telling you like this? This is the solution of the first problem. Keep changing batches. You will stick in one batches if you will invest money in that batch, because if you will not invest money in your, you can say anywhere, if you will invest money na, then you will not easily left them. You are investing money in this batch, you are investing money in this teacher notes, so you are not going to change it. You are not going to change the batch. Okay, because now this is the thing which I had done. These are the practical tips. Please do like this. You will see now whenever the new batch will come now, your mind will divert. Okay, they are saying that my selection will be there. No, never. Okay, please follow one batch. Whenever the new batch is coming, think about this money. Here I had invested this much money, I will go there. What will happen like this? Okay, you have to do. Second is make notes homework on the same day. Okay, so how means if you want how to solve sheets homework, I will make this video, but I have very less time because today is a buffer day on Unacademy. See, today is no lecture is there. Okay, so today is no lecture, hence I am making this video. So please what is how to solve sheets. This thing na, I had searched on whole internet. I am unable to find this thing, how to solve sheets in very effective manner, and I am unable to solve 10% daily. I am unable to solve the sheet more than 10%. I will make a video if you will give me good response on this video. Follow your schedule. Okay, whatever the schedule is there, follow that. Okay, third is do their material. Don't run behind many books. This is the biggest advice. Okay, please follow their material. Take print out. Don't study from PDF. Please do mehnat. Okay, because please do hard work. Whatever they are giving you, don't download it. Please make good notes. Please. Third is now, please maintain good handwriting. Okay, see, I am like this clear handwriting. I can say na, if you can say if I am writing like this na, on my note I used to write like this, solving questions, like, because I require less effort in writing like this. But when I write like this na, solving sheets, okay, I can also write like this. So now in this I can clearly, you can see now, I will never read this note again. If you will write like this now, you will never going to read these notes again. If you will write like this, at that time you will, I can say you will require more time, but after some days now you will require very less time in revising this, and you will revise it 2 or 3 times. Okay, so this is also the biggest tip. Okay, so these are the tips, why. Okay, if you like this video, please share it to your friends who want help. And okay, these are practical tips now. You will, I am telling you, I am betting you you will not get it anywhere on internet. This is my experience only. This is only my experience on an academy. I had wasted my 4 months. And okay, on next topic, if you want video how to solve sheets,